Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have these Blom Splendid 2 Boss Puffs Vapes, which come in this set of 8 pieces. And yeah, I don't know, I thought I should just check him out, because I really enjoyed the other Boss Puffs we have the other day. Um, Not gonna say that smoking is good in particular, but still I did want to have a little look how they made, how they taste, and how they feel. As I can tell, you remove these sides parts if you want to set them up in your counter or somewhere in your apartment if you want to put them on display like you could. Um, and that rips off or tears off pretty nicely and easily. And after that, you have them all packaged nicely, neatly for themselves, which is, I don't know, somewhat interesting, I guess, depending how you feel about it. You can put that centerpiece in as well for a display, and that's what it would look like if you put it up somewhere for sale or something. And I would say we have a little look at the little boxes, what kind of flavors we have. Um, they all are different colors, nothing is doubled, so keep that in mind if you like something in particular. That doesn't mean that you will get it a couple times, you get each flavor once. This is mango ice. Um, and then we have also some other packages like lemon ice. Um, then we have strawberry ice. We have watermelon ice. And then we also have, what is this one? Oh, blueberry ice. Okay, well, that makes sense, I guess. And also grape ice. So yeah, all in all, there's a bunch of options you can choose from if you wanted to. I mean, it's totally up to you though. And I would say we will just get one and check that out ourselves. Hmm, I don't know. Which one should we go for? How about cherry? Yeah, I don't think cherry is it. So let's crack this box open and check that out for ourselves. Hmm. Let's see what that's made of. Let's go. It comes sealed as well, which is good for hygiene facts. Let's see if we get that open. Up, it rips quite nicely. Not a big deal at all. So let's open this up. Then you can see there's two pieces to protect the vape. On the bottom, a cap which you remove so it actually is um, ready to be used. Otherwise, the battery is not set free, which is, I guess, good. Um, and then we have a mouthpiece which protects the mouth part so there's no dust getting in there, and also some other dirt and stuff that could be flying around when you have it in your purse or pocket or wherever you're gonna put it. So you remove both of these, and then the boss puff is ready to be used. Um, oh, it's not cherry, it's lychee, my bad. But anyway, what you're gonna do then is, yeah, you just grab it and you pull it. And as you can see, there's like really good and thick smoke. Yeah, and it tastes pretty good. I have to admit I don't know what I expected lychee to taste like, but it's good. I like the ice fact as well. Something it's not super common, I guess, in vapes, but I do enjoy them. And what's really good is there's no nicotine in here, so it's not as bad as smoking, yeah, other e-cigarettes, vapes. Still, smoking is bad. Keep that in mind. Not trying to do commercials, just trying to inform about the product itself, which I enjoy. Oh yeah, yeah, it's definitely not bad at all, and I'm a fan. And yeah, that should be it for today.